Welcome friends. Today I talk on the numerical changes of chromosome. Numerical changes in chromosome or variation in chromosome number can be mainly of two types, aneuploidy and euploidy. Aneuploidy means presence of chromosome number which is different than a multiple of basic chromosome number. Let's imagine that 7 is a basic chromosome number in particular class of individual where diploid number is 14. In this case, chromosome number 2n equal to 15 and 2n equal to 13 would be aneuploids. Euploidy on other hand means that the organism should possess one or more set of chromosome. For example, 2n equal to 7, 21, 28, 35 would be euploids. Now the classification of different kind of numerical change in chromosome, we broadly classified into euploidy and aneuploidy. Euploidy further, that is the monoploidy, diploidy, polyploidy. Aneuploidy further hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Now hypoploidy further classified into monosomy and nullsomy, and hyperploidy further classified into trisomy and tetrasomy. Aneuploidy can be either due to loss of one or more chromosome, that is hypoploidy, or due to addition of one or more chromosome to complete chromosome complement, that is hyperploidy. Hypoploidy is mainly due to loss of single chromosome, that is monosomy, that is chromosomal formula is 2n-1, or due to loss of one pair of chromosome, nullsomy, the chromosomal formula 2n-2. Similarly, hyperploidy may involve addition of either single chromosome, that is trisomy means 2n+1, or pair of chromosome tetrasomy, that is 2n+2. Now we just concentrate on the monosomy. Monosomy lack one complete chromosome. Such aberration create major imbalance and cannot be tolerated in diploid. The general formula is 2n-1. A monosomic individual form gametes of two types, that is one gamete single haploid number of chromosomes, that is n, and another gamete, that is n-1. In plant, gamete with n-1 genome do not survive, while in animal that cause genetic imbalance and lead either high mortality or reduced fertility. For example, in Drosophila, small chromosome is missing leads to monosomic condition referred as hypoploidy. Such individual develop slowly. Among human beings, individual with a single X chromosome results in Turner syndrome. Such individual have external appearance of female but lack ovaries. Now nullsomy are those individuals which lack a single pair of chromosome, so that the chromosomal formula, that is 2n-2, nullsomic type can arise from the union of two monosomic gametes. Nullsomic individuals usually do not survive. Now trisomic are those organisms which have an extra chromosome, that is 2n+1. Since the extra chromosome may belong to any one of the different chromosomes of haploid complement, the number of possible trisomic in an organism will be equal to its haploid chromosome number. For example, we know that haploid chromosome number in barley is 7. Consequently, 7 trisomics are possible. Down in 1959 reported trisomy of chromosome number 21 in human being. This abnormality known as Down syndrome or Mongolism. The individual affected by this syndrome are phenotypically characterized by epicanthic fold in the eyelid, round face, short finger, and mentally retarded. Such individuals die before sexual maturity. Now tetrasomic have particular chromosome represented in 4 doses. Therefore, general chromosome formula, that is 2n plus 2. Now euploidy, second concept of that is euploidy can be monoploidy, diploidy, triploidy, tetraploidy as well as polyploidy. Now monoploidy have a single basic set of chromosome, for example 2n equal to 7 in Barley. Haploid on other hand represent individual having half somatic chromosome number found in normal individual. Therefore, individual having 2n equal to 21 in wheat, haploid occurs in male honeybee, that is drone. They are produced by parthenogenesis. In honeybee, queen and workers are diploid. Haploid can artificially produced by X-ray treatment, temperature shock, and colchicine treatment. Now, triploid. The triploid organism contain 3 sets of chromosomes in the nuclei of their body cell. The triploidy may originate from the union of haploid and diploid gamete of different strain of same species. Such organisms are always sterile because of difficulty in chromosome pair during meiosis. Triploidy is situated by Pennock in 1965 in animal like reptile, man and birds. Now tetraploids, the organism with 4 sets of chromosomes in the nuclei of their somatic cell are called as a tetraploid. This doubling in chromosome number may due to either spontaneously or artificially by treating the cell of organism with chemicals such as colchicine, electric shock, etc. Now polyploidy, there are mainly 3 different kind of polyploidy, that is atopolyploidy, allopolyploidy, allopolyploidy. Now atopolyploidy are those polyploidy which consist same basic set of chromosome multiply. For example, triploid A or triple A. In diploid species, 2 similar set of chromosome, that is AA. In atopolyploidy, will have 3 similar set of chromosome, that is triple A, and atopolyploid remains sterile and cannot produce seed. The atopolyploid are very common in plant but rare in animal. Now allopolyploids, the allopolyploid are formed by doubling of chromosome in a zygote formed by union of gamete from 2 closely related different species, that is by doubling of chromosome in F1 hybrid. Now polyploid may arise by following way. The eggs may be fertilized by more than 1 sperm. If haploid eggs is fertilized by 2 haploid sperm, triploid will be result. Second, there may be a failure of mitosis. This result in doubling of chromosome in sex organ. Now third, sometimes diploid gamete arises because of failure in meiosis. If these gametes are fertilized by haploid gamete, triploid are formed. Now the significance of polyploidy. First significance is that polyploidy increase the size and vigor of plant and also changes the size of flower and fruit. Second significance is that polyploidy are adapted to new and specially to less favorable condition. And third significance, polyploidy is responsible to evolve a new species. And now fourth significance is that polyploidy has a major role in evolution. Thank you.